What's up everybody, FC here from Drone and Tech Review, and I got something very interesting. It is a drone that is not DJI. DJI having a hard time with regulations, gonna get banned in the USA, so looking for alternatives, right? And Potensic has been out there. So we have the Potensic Atom 2 with display screen, and boom, look at that display screen. They've always had that novel spread apart controller where you put the iPhone inside, but it's a little bit clunky, you kind of just big springs, and so they integrated it, and now they have a unit that is dialed. So a lot of ways you could use this. You could just buy the remote if you already have the Potensic Atom 2. You could buy the basic kit for I think 250, 450 with remote and the drone. And then $599 if you want the whole shebang. And that's what I have. I have the Fly More combo. It comes with a bag. It comes with your 3 batteries, so you can have 90 minutes plus of flight time. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna review a short review or a detailed review on this drone and show you what it's all about. But really kind of fascinating, and it's a windy day here in Northern California, and it's very stable. A small little stable machine, 32 minutes of flight time, 8K photos, has raw imaging, and it also has 4K video. So far I've been capturing spectacular photos and videos on this thing. But let me show you how it flies. Easy to turn on, and boom, arm it, and then up, see daisy, and then look at that thing. It's not that loud, and it's stable in the breeze, and it keeps its location very nicely. So impressive little flying machine, this thing. So no obstacle avoidance if there's something that's missing from it. But I think as a training machine, it's not a bad idea, to not rely on a obstacle avoidance, which slows it down tremendously. So it's not gonna dodge me or anything. It's gonna hit you. So you have to rely on some awareness, spatial awareness on this thing. So, but really cool. And what's really struck me so far is it has all these, the basics of it. Of flying is unbelievable. It's so stable. It's fast. It's nimble, little machine, and it has, night shots, all these patterns, and then it has all these Cineroam actions. It even has AI tracking, so pretty darn cool. So if there's any weakness to it, the AI tracking, I was using it with a bicycle and kind of running around. It's really just for capturing you on a slow walk on a vista point, but it's kind of really high, so you can't really see your face. And then it will lose you because you'll get under it. But look at that thing, stable little machine. And I think as I close and show you the actual screen and the flying, I want to show you just how cool this thing is to fly. Maybe you can see this in camera. So great thing to learn on, take pictures with, take video, and I have several tricks. Instead of me trying to go to the hillside to watch the sunset, I just put the drone up from my house and then get the grandest vistas of the sunset. But yeah, really kind of confidence inspiring. And I'm not a great drone pilot, but it's like a little pet. Whoa, it got mad at me. It wants to land. So the other trick I'll show you is this. So there's my little pet Atom 2 by Potensic. Thanks a lot, everybody. What we have is the Potensic Atom 2 with the remote controller with a screen, 5.5-inch screen. And this is the Fly More combo. It'll be available in many different configurations. You can buy the controller with a screen separately. A lot of options on how to buy the Atom 2, and it's a great kit, a great drone, and it is a great alternative to the DJI, which is having a lot of problem with approval. So right there, I put it on ready mode, and now we can take off. So I think ready, and then just lift, and then boom. So it's a breezy day here in Northern California. We have a storm coming in, and what we'll do first is let's record the screen or record some video. It's also recording the screen for you guys, and what we'll do is we'll rotate and see if it keeps its position. Okay, so it did that really well. Impressive, huh? Reverse. So this is one way to judge a drone and how well it positions. Notice there's a breeze going on for sure, and doing okay. And now we'll just do a couple of kind of flybys, see how it flies. So it's zooming, and what's really cool is it's keeping its altitude. We're in sport mode right now. And this is let's maybe go a little higher, because the elevation, wow, that is so cool. So it is a flying machine, even with a little breeze. No obstacle avoidance at all. But man, what a little monster, huh? What a delight. Okay, next thing we'll do is a really good test is return to home. So return to home, select the landing method, land or home. Let's go home. Okay, so what it's doing now is it is rising to a predetermined altitude. Okay. Giving you a chance to correct it. So it's rising, so it doesn't hit any trees and whatnot. So right there, it's gonna miss. So it missed the target by a little bit, and now we're good. Okay. All right. So that's our first return to home. Not entirely accurate. Missed it by about 3 feet, but not too bad. All right, we're still recording. Go up again. I love what a great flying machine it is, and it's so compact. It's fighting the wind pretty well. It says it has a level 3 wind resistance up to 23 miles an hour. So here I'm doing figure eights. So it's a really good drone to learn on. You just got to remember you don't have any obstacle avoidance. So you have to rely on your own wits. But what's really cool is it is fast. I noticed that when you have obstacle avoidance on the DJI, it's very slow, like 13, 14 miles an hour. As it is a flying machine. All right, so the patterns, a great learning tool. And now we'll go up. Am I recording? Yeah, I'm recording video. Let's go up. So the rise rate is not bad. Rising at a decent clip. Is that an eagle up there? Wow, it is high. Holy moly. Almost looks like a plane. All right. Current transmission signal is weak, so let me adjust my antenna to point it the way they want it to. And there you go. So let's just take a couple movies of the area. This is a 4K video and 8K photo situation. So right now we're We're just taking some video, making some nice laps. Little airplane up there. And it is going at a nice clip. So the claimed flight time is 32 minutes. And people have been getting good times, 27, 28 minutes. So good percentage of the claimed flight time in real world situations compared to DJI. DJI is scoring lower than that. All right. So there's your movie making capability. What we'll do now is we'll stop this. We'll take some photos. So remote is super cool. Take some photos. This also has a dynamic home, so you can follow the controller, which is really cool. And then, so the screen is 550 nits or something like that. Pretty darn bright. So let's see how close it gets. Oh, not quite there. Okay, so now I got Cineroam. I'm against the sun. I see. A little rolling video action, why not? Wow, you're going a long way, my friend. And now it returns. Okay, try that again. Go. So Cineroam, such an interesting little pattern because it wants to go so far just for a little Cineroam. But really cool because it's pretty darn windy right now. You can even see the grass. But the drone has no problem whatsoever. Something really cool is for $599 we have the Fly More combo. 96 minutes of flight time. Okay, there it stops right there, gets its Cineroam, and then goes back to where it came from. So we have no concerns about flight time whatsoever. And let's draw something around me. So let's do a spotlight. Okay, so it's following me. And now let's do a follow. Okay, it's too high, but that's what it wants. So following, but it likes to do it from a high angle. Let's do some quick shots. Maybe a circle, spotlight, circle, go. So you can't adjust the speed as it's doing its circle. What do you call that, a droney? So AI tracking We have follow, parallel, and it wants to be at a steeper angle. So I'll put the remote down, get on my bike. Oh, I'm not sure if so it lost me because I went under it because it's so high, and I'm not sure it can reacquire me. All right, it has a few minutes of battery, so now it's coming back home. Let's see how it does coming back home. Oh, good, it recorded that whole thing. So that concludes my review and flight of the Potensic Atom 2 with the nice screen. We'll now compare it to the DJI Mini 4 Pro in terms of quality. Here is a video of the Mini 4 Pro, a photo, spectacular. And then we are gonna go fly the Potensic Atom 2. The same conditions, raw image quality, just a little bit later, just 5 minutes later, so you'll see it gets a little bit darker, but man, it is so dramatic, the scenes that I captured. These are untouched photos, so hope that helps.